Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent Messenger from accessing your files on your device. Protecting your privacy and data is important, and we'll walk you through the steps to restrict Messenger's access to your files. Let's begin. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. The terminology may vary depending on your device. Locate Messenger from the list of apps and select it. Once you've chosen Messenger, tap on Permissions. Within the Permissions section, you'll see the option for Files and Media, or Storage. Toggle the switch next to it to block Messenger from accessing your files. After disabling access to files, be sure to select Don't Allow to prevent Messenger from interacting with your files and media content. By following these steps, you can ensure that Messenger does not have permission to access your personal files, enhancing your privacy and security while using the messaging app. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in preventing Messenger from accessing your files on your device. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on safeguarding your data and privacy in the digital age.